when you have StarkNight front windshield and cab enclosure at the same time. At first, remove the removable straps, and then use the windshield clamp to fix windshield and cab enclosure together. Then proceed with the installation of the cab enclosure. Do not tie the straps tightly, and then place the windshield on the front frame and align it. If installed, remove the windshield clamp. Start installing the windshield. Use the windshield clamp to fix windshield and cab enclosure together. Finally, apply self-adhesive adhesive. Complete installation.
If you have a full windshield or no windshield, need to use the removable strap that comes with the cab enclosure to install the cab enclosure. Proceed with the installation of the cab enclosure. Do not tie the straps tightly. Start installing the windshield, and then turn the straps of the cab enclosure. Apply self-adhesive adhesive. Complete installation.